Almonds are nutrient-rich nuts that offer a wide range of health benefits when incorporated into a balanced diet. Here are some of the potential health benefits of consuming almonds. 1. Nutrient-dense. Almonds are packed with essential nutrients, including healthy fats, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. 2. Heart health. Almonds are known to be heart-healthy. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants found in almonds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall cardiovascular health. 3. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds can be beneficial for weight management. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein in almonds can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. 4. Blood sugar control. Almonds have a low glycemic index and can help stabilize blood sugar levels. The fiber, healthy fats, and protein in almonds contribute to slower digestion and a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. 5. Bone health. Almonds are a source of several nutrients important for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients contribute to maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. 6. Skin health. The vitamin E content in almonds acts as an antioxidant, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming almonds as part of a balanced diet may contribute to healthy, glowing skin. 7. Brain health. Almonds are a source of riboflavin, vitamin B2, and vitamin E, both of which are important for cognitive function and brain health. Vitamin E, in particular, has been associated with a reduced risk of cognitive decline. 8. Digestive health. Almonds are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 9. Antioxidant properties. Almonds contain antioxidants, including vitamin E and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These properties may contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases. 10. Support for healthy pregnancy. Almonds are rich in folate, a B vitamin that is important for fetal development during pregnancy. Adequate folate intake is crucial for preventing neural tube defects in the developing baby. 11. Reduced hunger and snacking. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in almonds can help reduce feelings of hunger and the urge to snack between meals. It's important to note that while almonds offer numerous health benefits, they are also calorie-dense. Portion control is key to enjoying their benefits without over-consuming calories. Including a variety of nutrient-rich foods in your diet and maintaining an overall balanced eating pattern is essential for optimal health. Remember that individual nutritional needs can vary based on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and health conditions. Consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help you determine the best way to incorporate almonds and other foods into your diet to meet your specific health goals. Thanks for watching.